What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin Peterson, and in today's video, we're going to be breaking down how I built a 7-figure business in under 2 years at 24 years old with 0 employees. I'm going to be diving into my screen, showing you guys actual proof results of the businesses that I've built. I'm going to be showing you guys how I've outsourced a lot of my work and how you guys can replicate a similar business model that I have done in the last 2 years. So I'm really excited about today's video, and if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to go down, hit the subscribe button, like the video for the YouTube algorithm, and you might as well drop a comment while you're at it. So I really appreciate the support, and without further ado, let's dive into the video. All right, so let's dive into my screen, and the first thing that I wanna do is show you guys actual numbers. For those that are skeptical, that don't think that this is legit, I'm gonna show you actual numbers. So here we are inside my Amazon Seller Central account, and this is my main business. It's called Amazon FBA. It's where I sell physical products that I have branded. I manufacture them overseas in China, and I get them shipped to Amazon. And as soon as someone purchases that product, Amazon does the fulfillment. So that makes up the bulk of my business. And as you guys can see, in the last year, so May 14th, 2019 to May 14th, 2020, I'm going to hit apply, and you're going to see that I've done just over $940,000 in sales. Granted, that is not all profit. And when I say a 7-figure business, I'm not saying that I profited 7 figures, but I've done 7 figures in sales in the last year. So that is one stream of income. And if you guys are interested in learning how, I actually have a course breaking down the steps, and that is my second stream of income. So if you come over here, I have an entire program breaking down the steps of how to sell on Amazon. And I'm very adamant about, I actually sell on Amazon. You're learning from someone that's in the trenches, and I'm not just some person on the internet that claims that I know everything and that if you take my course, you're gonna make a bunch of money overnight. That is not what I'm claiming, and that's not what I'm about. But if you are sincerely interested, you guys can learn exactly how I built a business through Amazon, leveraging their systems, their infrastructure to build literally a 7-figure business just from Amazon alone. So it's been an incredible journey. And that is the second stream of income, is my course. And yes, I do make money from my course. That is the reality of it. And it's another source, another stream of income. So that is my second. And my third income stream is affiliate marketing. So I'm an affiliate with multiple of these companies. Helium 10 is one of them. Bench, who does my accounting. Fiverr is a freelancing website. Freelancer, where I do other freelancing stuff. I have Editing Machine, which I am an affiliate to, who does all of my YouTube edits. So shout out to you for editing this video. Veriship, who does my Amazon audits, who gets me reimbursements. And between all of my affiliate links and my course, that alone is a 6-figure business. And that may seem crazy, and it didn't happen overnight. And this actually just recently happened in the last year. I started a YouTube channel, and we'll come over to my YouTube channel, and I now have over 14,000 subscribers. And this took a lot of time and a lot of effort to build this following. And this did not just happen overnight. And so the first year, I literally posted, I think it was like 90 plus videos, and I had 1,000 subscribers. And then after that first year, the second year, I grew from 1,000 to 10,000. And then it's just been that domino effect, and I've slowly grown over time. So it's been super cool. And between my Amazon business, my courses, my affiliate marketing, and then also my YouTube ad revenue. So every time you click on a video, I do display ads. So we'll put an ad right now. And thank you for watching that. But you watch those ads, and every time you watch an ad, then I get a little commission. It's very, very minimal. It's not that much. I make between $1,100 to like $1,800 a month from YouTube ad revenue. And that is another source of income. So between all of those streams, it is a 7-figure business. And like I mentioned, I did it with 0 employees. So now you're probably wondering how. And the main reason how is the services that I'm an affiliate for. So the first one is Helium 10. Helium 10 automates a lot of things. It saves me a ton of time, for example, to do product research. It saves me time to do follow-up emails. It alerts me if there is a problem on my account. And this is what the tool does. I mean, there's 20 plus different tools, and it helps me basically not have to hire employees to literally monitor my listings, monitor my keywords. I can just go in and it does it for me. So it's really convenient, and that is a great time saver. And that's what all of these tools do, is it saves me time so that I'm not spreading myself too thin, that I can focus on the money making machines. So that is Helium 10. If you guys are interested in Helium 10, you can use my coupon codes, and yes, I'm an affiliate with them. I get a little kickback. So you get 50% off for the first month, 10% off for life. You can use those codes. I'll put all of the links to all of these services down below. But the next company that I use is Bench. And this alone saves me hours and hours a week in bookkeeping and accounting. This is something that you need to be doing as a business owner. You shouldn't be doing the books yourself. It takes a lot of time, and Bench specializes in e-commerce. So if you guys do have like a drop shipping business, if you sell on Amazon, if you have a YouTube business, if you're doing something online, then Bench is the solution. And if you use my link, you're going to get 20% off for the first 6 months of bookkeeping, and it's basically on autopilot. You give them access to your reports, and they download them, and then they just do your accounting. And when it comes tax time, you just send your reports to your CPA, and it is as simple as that. So that alone, outsourcing bookkeeping and accounting, is going to save you guys hours and hours and hours. So that is huge. That is called Bench. The next one is Fiverr and Freelancer. These are sites you're probably very familiar with. If I need like a thank you card insert, for example, or something that I need designed, I go and hire a freelancer to do the work. I pay like $5. I hire it out, and they design whatever I need to be designed. And again, I have an affiliate link. If you sign up, you get 20% off for your first order. And then if you use Freelancer, you get $20 for signing up. So it's kind of cool. And that's the cool thing about affiliate marketing, is I understand if you don't want to use my links, that is totally fine, but I'm getting you a discount and I'm doing you a favor. And then in return, I'm getting a little commission. So that's kind of the business model, and it's super cool and unique, but it does take a lot of work to get up and going. The first year of affiliate marketing, I think I made like a total of $200, but over time, it slowly gets more and more and more as you build your personal brand, your following, and as people trust you, then they're like, hey, I actually want to use this service. And that's what I've tried to do, is I only promote services that I actually use. I'm not going to just promote some random service. So Freelancer and Fiverr have been great, and it saved me a lot of time. If I have some freelance work that I need to get done, I just go hire it there, and it's very inexpensive. So that is the next tool that I've used. The next one, this is probably what has enabled me to grow the most, and that is hiring out my editing on my YouTube videos. Before, I was doing all the editing myself, and it literally took me hours and hours to make a video. Now I can sit down, film a video like this. It takes me, depending on the video, 15 minutes to an hour and 20 minutes, depending on how many times I mess up and make mistakes. But then once I do that, then I just send it to my editor, and then he puts it together, and then he sends it back, and then I can simply upload it. He also does my thumbnails, and so it's a super, super seamless transition, and it saves me hours and hours and hours a week. And this alone was where I was spending most of my time. And you may think that that's crazy, but that's just the truth. Editing takes a lot of time. So I pay this company editing machine. I'll put a link down below if you guys are interested in hiring out an editor, but this is a great way that has saved me tons of time. So when I talk about how I don't have any employees, I really don't. They're just freelancers, they're services where I pay a monthly fee and they just do the work for me, like my bookkeeping, my editing, and things like that. It just saves me so much time. And another huge time saver is actually Amazon. So with Amazon FBA, like I mentioned, how I source products, get them shipped to Amazon, then they do the fulfillment. I'm leveraging Amazon's infrastructure, their warehouses, their facility, their logistics, their employees to grow and scale my business. And that is another huge burden taken off of my back, where I don't have to manage a warehouse. I don't have to manage employees shipping out orders. I don't have to manage someone not showing up on time to be able to ship out my orders. So Amazon, the business model FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, is huge, and that's another massive, massive time saver. Another one, and then Veriship is another partner that I have partnered with, and they basically go in and audit my Amazon account and get me reimbursements back. And so this isn't just like, this isn't super necessary, but it saves me a lot of money, and I make money basically doing nothing. And so that is Veriship. I have a whole video breaking down all of these services: Veriship, Bench, Helium 10, Freelancer, Fiverr. But those are the services that I've used to really grow and scale my business, and it has been an incredible journey. I may hire an employee, I don't know, but right now I don't feel the need because I don't feel super stressed. There's some weeks where I work maybe 10 hours. There's other weeks where I may work a couple hours, like 1 or 2. There's other weeks where I'm working 40, 50 hours, but that's just kind of the life of an entrepreneur. And I love being able to pick my own schedule, and I don't have a boss telling me what to do. And Amazon FBA was what started the whole thing. I learned how to do it. I started seeing success. And then that's when I picked up the camera, started documenting my journey, started teaching others. And then that's when the program came around. And then that's when the affiliate marketing came around. And then that's how I grew a 7-figure business in 2 years at 24. So if you guys are interested in doing something similar, get really good at something, get really, really good at it. Don't just go fake it and try to scam people. Actually build a business. And then if you want to go teach others and share your knowledge on YouTube, that is great. I would highly recommend to do so, but don't expect it to happen overnight, and don't think that you're just gonna make $1 million like this, because I'm still not where I want to be. I'm still slowly growing. But I really appreciate all the support on the channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me just kind of being open about my business and my different streams of income. So those are the streams from my business. Then I also have investments where I have actually a rental property. I have money invested in Forex, where I actually have someone trading for me that is doing really extremely well. I have money invested in Bitcoin. And then I have a little bit of money invested in the stock market, not a ton, but I'm slowly starting to diversify my portfolio. As I have money coming into my business, I want to continue to grow and grow and grow, because I'm never satisfied. I just want to continue to grow. I want to help people like you succeed and change your life, change and quit your job, or do whatever you want to be free from whatever you're dealing with right now. So I hope that this inspires you. I hope that this helps you really take action on what to do next. And if you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. It's at trevin.peterson. I also have a Facebook group where I talk about Amazon FBA. Again, I have a course, and then I have tons of resources down below. And I just want to say thank you guys for the support, and we will see you guys in the next video.